Crash Course on Jamaica, Festivals and Celebrations. Welcome to a crash course on the vibrant festivals and celebrations that bring the spirit of Jamaica to life. From the energetic carnival to the world-renowned Reggae Sumfest and the cultural extravaganza of the Maroon Festival, Jamaica knows how to celebrate. Let's dive into some interesting stories and examples, followed by a list and description of the top 12 attractions that showcase the festivals and celebrations of Jamaica. Festivals and celebrations in Jamaica. 1. Carnival. Jamaica's carnival is a colorful explosion of music, dance, and vibrant costumes. Join in the festivities as the streets come alive with parades, masquerade bands, and energetic soca and dancehall rhythms. 2. Reggae Sumfest. Known as the greatest reggae festival on earth, Reggae Sumfest attracts music lovers from around the world. Experience the iconic sounds of reggae and dancehall as renowned artists grace the stage for electrifying performances. 3. Maroon Festival. Celebrated in Accompong, the Maroon Festival honors the rich heritage of the Maroons, descendants of escaped African slaves. Immerse yourself in their traditions, music, dance, and the reenactment of the signing of the peace treaty. Top 12 attractions of festivals and celebrations in Jamaica. 1. Bacchanal Jamaica, Carnival. 2. Reggae Sumfest, Montego Bay. 3. Maroon Festival, Accompong. 4. Rebel Salute, St. Anne. 5. Jamaica Jazz and Blues Festival, Montego Bay. 6. Independence Day celebrations, nationwide. 7. Emancipation Day celebrations, nationwide. 8. Accompong Maroon Festival, St. Elizabeth. 9. Port Antonio Maroon Festival, Portland. 10. Ocho Rios Seafood Festival, Ocho Rios. 11. Portland Jerk Festival, Portland. 12. Kingston Reggae Night, Kingston. In summary, Jamaica's festivals and celebrations are a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage and vibrant spirit. From the electrifying energy of Carnival to the iconic sounds of reggae at Reggae Sumfest, these events showcase the soul of Jamaica and offer visitors unforgettable experiences. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's celebrate Jamaica's festivals and celebrations with a poem. In Jamaica's rhythmic land, where joy abounds, festivals and celebrations resound. Carnival's colors paint the streets. Masquerade bands, dancing to soca beats. Reggae Sumfest, a musical delight. Legends unite, captivating the night. Maroon Festival, Accompong's pride. Ancestral traditions, honored with stride. Bacchanal Jamaica, a carnival affair. Revelers sway, a vibrant flair. Rebel Salute's roots, reggae's sweet refrain. Jazz and Blues Festival, melodies sustain. Independence Day, a nation's pride. Emancipation, freedom's stride. Maroon Festivals in Portland's embrace. Seafood delights in Ocho Rios space. Jerk Festival's aroma, tantalizing the air. Kingston Reggae Night, soul laid bare. Jamaica Celebrations, a cultural symphony. Uniting hearts in joyous harmony. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.